Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to make a call but didn't have a phone? Or maybe you were traveling and wanted to avoid expensive roaming charges? If so, then Vonage is the perfect solution for you. Vonage is a cloud-based phone service that allows you to make and receive calls from anywhere in the world. All you need is an internet connection and a computer, tablet, or smartphone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a call using Vonage. Imagine being able to make a call from anywhere in the world, even if you don't have a phone. With Vonage, you can stay connected to your friends, family, and business contacts no matter where you are. Vonage is a cloud-based phone service that allows you to make and receive calls from anywhere in the world. All you need is an internet connection and a computer, tablet, or smartphone. Vonage offers a variety of plans to choose from, so you can find one that fits your needs and budget. How to make a call using Vonage. Sign up for a Vonage account. Download the Vonage app. Open the Vonage app. Enter your phone number and password. Click on the call button. Enter the phone number you want to call. Click on the call button. You can also make a call using Vonage from your computer or web browser. To do this, simply log in to your Vonage account and click on the call button. Vonage features. Vonage offers a variety of features, including unlimited calling to the US, Canada, and Mexico, international calling rates, voicemail, caller ID, call forwarding, conference calling, and much more. Additional tips. If you're making a call from your computer, you can use a headset or microphone for better audio quality. If you're making a call from your smartphone, you can use the Vonage app or the native phone app. If you're having trouble making a call, try restarting your device or checking your internet connection. Vonage is a great way to stay connected to your friends, family, and business contacts no matter where you are. With Vonage, you can make and receive calls from anywhere in the world, even if you don't have a phone. If you're looking for a reliable and affordable phone service, I highly recommend Vonage. Sign up for a free trial today and see for yourself how Vonage can help you stay connected. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.